that already we saw that a database is collections of informations of table. A database is collections of data table. Data table display information in a grid. Data table is a collections of or set of data in a grid. Data is distinct pieces of information, or data is also collections of information. SQL Server is a structured query language is going to use for backend application. SQL is a data language or application which is used to create, update or modify or store, display or delete data from the database, or we can select the data, or we can view the data, we can show the data from the database. Like today we are going to only add some rows in our previous table, or we can previous tables, or we can say that we can going to add more and more rows in our ready-made table. So that we first of all we again creating the table that we are going to start, like create database, pick a time, again we need to select our database. To select this database, if we are not selecting the database, then automatically the database will be pull out like master database. So we need to select the database from the SQL server. So again we need to use database, like I have created now that data create database pick a time. So I'm going to use that same database. So use database pick a time. Again we need to create a table. So I'm going to create a table, create table. Now we are going to create a table for student detail. So we are creating the table, create table student again we need to give the details like in bracket like we are taking student number. So student number, it should be int always. Again we are taking student name, comma student name. Again we are taking student address. Each and every column we need to give the comma. Then student fees should be in a float. Whenever a dot will become in fees, so it should be except. So we need to take the float float. then bracket close. After that, same procedure we need to follow that. Insert into table name like a student value and student values in a bracket, right? Student number 102 comma Prithviraj Khedkar in single inverted. After the student address, like we need to take Gachil Pargo, then fees Gachil Pargo, that will be in a double single inverter also. After that, comma fees 500 dot 23 or 22, whatever. After that, first of all we need to select our database, like create database. First of all we select and doing F5. So we are our database has been created. Now we are going to use this database, so we need to select use database, pick a time F5. So database is going to use now. Master database will be out and our database will be select, like pick a time. And after that we need to select, like from create table student in bracket and up to bracket, need to all things we need to select, and after that F5 so we will get the output empty table. After that, to add the values, we need to select from insert up to opening bracket and closing bracket and F5. So we are getting the output of this. Like this. Again we can add another row in this table. So we are going to add again 103, so 104. After that we are adding another row, that will be a Popat Dhabni. It should be in a single inverted. After that address will be like the same, Gachil Pargo. It should be in a single inverted. And after that again 400.22. Okay, so like this we can add another row also, and we can add more and more rows. We can complete our table.